Once in a bustling forest, there lived a tiny bird named Finch. Finch was known for his vibrant plumage and melodious song, but he was also notorious for his forgetfulness. One sunny morning, Finch decided to gather berries from the forest floor. He filled his beak with bright red raspberries and flew back to his nest. As he approached his home, a crafty raccoon named Reggie sneaked up behind him, waiting for the perfect moment to snatch the berries. Just as Finch was about to land, Reggie leapt, snatching the berries right from Finch's beak. Finch was so surprised that he dropped the remaining berries, and they rolled away. Finch felt a pang of regret. He had worked so hard for those berries, and now they were gone. But instead of feeling sad, Finch decided to learn from his mistake. "I must be more mindful," thought Finch, "and not let carelessness cost me again." And so, Finch vowed to be more aware of his surroundings, to not let his forgetfulness rule his life. From that day forward, Finch became more attentive. He watched for dangers, remembered where he'd hidden his food, and even helped other animals in the forest. As time passed, Finch became a beloved figure in the forest. He was not just known for his beautiful songs, but also for his wisdom and mindfulness. In the end, Finch taught everyone a valuable lesson. That being mindful can lead to a safer, more fulfilling life. And so, Finch the forgetful became Finch the wise, a reminder that change is always possible, and that it's never too late to learn and grow.